right, continued system maintenance. So every time you get a drone or something like that, you obviously need to continue maintenance on that drone, right? The same way that you get system maintenance within SACAA, which is where they're auditing each individual company. You also get system maintenance within the company where they need to audit each individual sector, which then goes into my duty here at NSU, which is RPA, responsible person for aircraft. It's my duty to maintain the maintenance of each aircraft. All right.
George, what's the difference between the ROC and the UAS operating certificate?
Oh, see, there's no difference. It's just that, yeah, the ROC is what we used to call it, and then the regulations were recently updated. End of last year, the regulations were updated, and they just changed some abbreviations. So there's no longer ROC, it's now UASOC. Yeah, it's just that we, obviously with the change, we're still, integrating UASOC, so sometimes you're going to see ROC instead. And sometimes I still say ROC because, come on, UASOC. Okay. Alright, so we've then got the UASMT. Again, this used to be the RMT, okay, remote maintenance technician, but now since the reg change, we now have the UASMT, okay, and this is just your maintenance. So if you want to become a UASMT, or actually no, let's rather talk about for your UASOC. It works like this. If you are a drone company that is flying drones that are classified less than a class 3 drone, so class 1 and class 2 drones, then you can just get someone like little old me. I don't even have maintenance technician, okay? I'm not even a UASMT. I don't even have the rating. But at least I know how drones work. So you're allowed to, with a class 1 and class 2 drone, as long as someone is able to know what they're doing, and you can show that to the CAA, then they can be your maintenance technician, okay? But anything with a class 3 or higher, you then actually have to hire somebody specifically for that role. You can't have someone doing that and also doing something else. Make sense? Awesome. Cool. I know I'm pushing hard, guys, but we're almost done. 2:30. My God, today is flying by. Okay. So that's that. In order to get a UASMT, you just go through the course, right? We do have UASMT courses at NSU. They will be taking a break, a hiatus for a little bit, just so we can heighten up our the standards. Okay, we're improving the course, is what I'm saying. But we do offer it, and the same procedures as a UAS. An RPC, okay? You need to be above 18 years old, you need to undergo medical stuff, so on and so forth. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Okay, and then all this was just finishing up by saying that your maintenance technicians also have their own logbooks, and this is what the logbook looks like. Okay, it's literally like date, time, aircraft operated on, description of what you did, rectification process. Okay, something like that. All right. And that will then also go into the flight folio. Because if a drone, what's the purpose of the flight folio? To make sure that the drone maintains airworthiness, right? It says at this on the flight folio, it'll say service drone at this time. But if something happens before that, if you crash the drone, then it says nope, it's null and void, repair drone. Then it'll be a what is wrong, and the next thing will be rectification process. Okay. Boom, shaka, shaka. Okay, do I have any questions? Any questions? No questions? Yeah?
I think I want to correct the UCT time. The abbreviation.
Yes.
Sometimes it's universal, some coordinates, sometimes it's coordinates universal time.
Yeah, basically, so UCT stands for Universal Coordinated, Universal Time Coordinated.
Yeah.
But yeah, people will say like coordinated universal time. People will throw that around. So as long as you hear those 3 words, you know that they're talking about Zulu time. right. And universal time coordinated, universal coordinated time. Yeah, it's all much of a muchness. It all means the same thing. Any more questions? No questions. Any questions online? No. As the days gone by, we've had fewer and fewer people online. Yeah. People are like, I'm done with this shit. Click away. Okay. Alright. Okay, but thanks guys. Today was kind of fun. I have a knowledgeable class. That's freaking awesome. I always love having a knowledgeable class. Even one that's even teaching me stuff, like, thank God. I was getting bored of drones here, so it's great stuff. Alright. Okay guys, then I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early 9 o'clock.